And I say nipa or more airplane. Ebi ye juma. Chairman Camel, why ye chairman for the party for over 16 years? Why ye propaganda secretary for the party for 4 years? Why ye branch youth organizer? Honorable Yakubu Yusuf has been with the branch. Why ye juma for about 10 years in the party? Why ye parliamentary candidate? Equally to Alaji Moro. So ye say a juma or my ye are. And then how they compare the other three no or one ye juma say, Madam Esther was saying. So if I don't know what they are, why don't you name any of the three no as the MC? That is our worry.
Na mo worry ya mo kan ne Esther so adwuma wa ye obi a wa serve loyalty ye nim de mo ka no. Se ko ba se party decision and as president decision say Esther no de ne ba de na mo be ye.
E ko ba se president no gina ya we si no e no na odeba. Ye need choice. What we supposed to do is see a manage situation. No? Now you should say, the party will continue to be attractive because NDC is becoming a third force in Mampong politics. And this is not the time where you be near my party in your horn, you Mampong no. So we will see how to manage the situation. Our party will continue to be attractive in Mampong.
Okay,